guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica if you are new here, and for today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I make my MacBook / iPhone backgrounds. So here are some that I have made so far. If you want any of these exact backgrounds, all you have to do is send me a DM on Instagram and I will send them to you so you have them and they're like high quality and everything. If you want me to make you a custom one, I can do that as well. Again, just send me a DM. It's at Jessica Leigh YT. Or if you want to learn how to make your own, you can just follow along this video because I'm going to teach you how. So I'm going to go ahead and screen record and I can show you guys how I make these. As you can see, this is my background that I have right now. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you know what kind of MacBook that you're working with. So I know mine's a MacBook Air 13-inch, but if you don't know what yours is, you can click the Apple icon and then click About This Mac and it will come up here. So it says MacBook Air 13-inch. And I'm just going to go to Google. I'm going to search up Mac Air desktop screensaver size. Just put that into Google and then it will give you a bunch here on a list. For mine, again, MacBook Air 13-inch, it's 1440 by 900. So that's the dimensions that we have to use when we're actually making the background so things aren't like distorted and things don't get cut off, all that fun stuff. I use Canva to make these. Canva is free. You don't have to download anything. It's all online. I'm going to click on Create a Design and click on Custom Dimensions. And make sure you put in the dimensions that you just found on Google. So mine was 1440 by 900. And then click Create a Design. So now we have this blank canvas here that we can do a lot with. The first thing though, I'm going to open up another tab and go to Pinterest. I like to use Pinterest for my photos because first of all, I like my backgrounds to be kind of like a vision board, but mostly just like really pretty and like aesthetic. So that's why I use Pinterest. You can use your own photos. You can use photos of your family or your dog. I'm going to search up, I think I really want to do a beach theme for this one. So I'm going to search up beach aesthetic on Pinterest. And then you will see a bunch of different photos that kind of go along with what you searched up. Anything that I like or I think is cute, I'm just going to click on. I kind of like this one of the Jeep. So I'm going to click on that and then click with 2 fingers if you're on a Mac or left click. And then you can click copy image and go back to Canva and then click Command V on your keyboard and that will paste the image. I just pasted it twice, but Command V will paste the photo onto your canvas. So you can do that. You can resize these. You can crop the photos if you just wanted the Jeep in there. That is basically how you get your pictures on there. So I'm going to go back to Pinterest, go back to beach aesthetic and find any more that I want. I like to keep them all kind of in like a similar color scheme. So I kind of like this one of the palm trees. So I'm just going to paste that in. Okay, so I don't have all of my photos yet, but I wanted to come on here and kind of talk about a few tips that I have. So for me personally, I like all of my photos to be touching. As you can tell from this example and from the other ones that I showed you, I really don't like any like blank space in mine. If you do want to have like some extra space and kind of move your photos around a little bit, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do. Okay, so I know this doesn't look good, but the first thing that you can do is change the background color. So obviously Canva has these things where it will give you like suggestions, or you can literally just go to this color thing and choose whatever color you want. I'm just going to randomly pick one here because we're just doing this for the sake of the tutorial. Now I have kind of a background color which looks a lot better than the white. If you wanted to kind of fill this space a little bit, you can go over here on the side and click on Elements. And you can search up different things that you would want. I search up stars a lot because I think they're cute. I use that a lot in my thumbnails. But basically you can grab these things, place them on your canvas, and kind of make them smaller. You can change the color of them. Another thing you can do that I think is really cute is searching up tape. Literally in the elements section, just search up tape. And they have cute little like tape things that look like strips of tape, I guess. that you can make them look like your photos are kind of like stuck on there, which I think is super cute. So that's basically an overview of different like ideas and things that you can do. I am going to go ahead and do what I normally do, which is make my photos all touching because I just like that more. Okay, I do have one more thing. If your photos aren't really matching up, like these two, they're kind of the similar like aesthetic, but this one's too bright. So I'm going to click on the photo and go to adjust and just bring down the brightness of that photo. Also going to bring down the saturation a little bit just to help it kind of match up. This one I also think it's just a little bit too bright, so I'm going to bring it down a little bit. You can also change the tint. I don't really do that as much. But those are just some more ideas to kind of make it look a little bit better. With that being said, I'm going to go make this and I will come back to you when it's done.
True, I should have noticed. I should have spoken up before we got tangled in an empty love. Take what you think you wanted. It doesn't do us good to memory.
After a very long time, because I am a perfectionist, I am back. I will put the end product on the screen. Again, if you want this, just send me a DM on Instagram. Before I end the video though, I do want to give you a couple more tips. While I was first getting started, I kind of struggled to find pictures on Pinterest because I kept getting a lot of the same thing. So I wanted to give you guys some ideas of things you can type into Pinterest. Some ideas are food, so like ice cream I found has been really cute. Obviously you cannot just type in ice cream. You need to type in like pink ice cream aesthetic. You need to be like really specific with these. Another idea is nails. So I found some really cute like nail photos that you could do, outfit photos or accessories, anything that you can get like really close-up pictures on. Signs like street signs or license plates are sometimes really cute. So there's a lot of different things like that you can search up. You don't just have to search up vintage aesthetic because that's kind of broad. So maybe you search up like vintage outfit or like vintage shoes or vintage flower aesthetic, and you'll get different things depending on what you search up. So those are just some ideas for you. Hopefully this video was helpful. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot one more thing. If you want to do this for an iPhone, it's literally the exact same process, except you will search up, go back to like step 1 or 2 when we Googled our size dimensions for our MacBook. You're just going to do that same thing, but you're going to search for your phone. So like I would search iPhone 10 background size, and I would put those dimensions into Canva. With all of that being said, I think I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Send me a DM if you have any questions or anything like that, and I will see you very, very soon in the next one. Bye, guys.